Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the power steering fuse is located, now we have three of them. One of them is the main fuse that most people will not even know that it exists because it's hidden. If your power steering doesn't work, always check these three fuses. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. What's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So now guys, let's explain where you can expect to find the power steering fuses. We will demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model. You have guys, by the way, up to 4 different fuse boxes. Today we'll be working in 3 of them. One is under the hood. Go ahead and open the hood. Facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box under this cover. Open it. You'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to check one fuse for power steering, then we need to go and check another one, another 2 actually, 2 different boxes. If you look right here, that fuse, the 5 amp fuse right here, will need to be checked right there. Next you need to open the door. Once you do that, look under the dash, upside down. On the bottom of the glove box you have one soft carpet, fuzzy liner, attaches with 2 turning knobs. Unscrew them, pull it out, and behind it you'll find the interior fuse box. Here you have another fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 68. You may or may not have this one, right here. Now, if you open the hood again guys, and you come to your car battery, which is right here, and if you follow the positive terminal cable that attaches to the car battery, it comes to another fuse box that's hidden behind a black plastic. Once you open it, you have that layout here. And here guys, we have the main power steering fuse, which is that 80 amp fuse right here that you will guys need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.